Hi, here's some instructions for unpacking your GenuEase Model 3. It comes in a ridiculously large box on a pallet. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut the straps that are holding that box onto the pallet. Then lift the cover box off and put it wherever you can find space to set it aside. Then you want to loosen and remove the ratchet straps that are holding the machine onto the pallet. Those ratchet straps are your free gift with purchase. They're yours, we don't want them back. After you've removed both of the ratchet straps, lift the back of the machine up so that it's out of the notch where it's sitting, and then just slide it forward off of the pallet onto the floor. Then you're going to want to remove all of the packing material on it. Those are there to protect it during shipping. So carefully remove those without scratching anything. Then you're going to want to insert the backrest through the adjuster on the back of the machine. Once you insert the backrest, you'll want to replace the stop screw that keeps that backrest from sliding out. You can adjust the tension on that backrest as you need to. Then open the box that contains the electronics. Remove the power cord and the display from that box. Then take the display and screw it onto the ball mount there on the front left arm of the machine. Screw it on until it's nice and snug, not too tight, but snug. Then plug in the power and data cable and adjust the display so that the patient can see it easily. Then plug the power cord into the back, plug it into the wall, and turn the power on. If you have any questions, call 888-886-4368.